Alright, so we're going to test our understanding in this example 1. Represent the following inequalities on number line. Question A, close bracket -1 until 4 close bracket. So how do we represent this? First, number line. So just write down the number that you have in the interval. Okay, so don't write all the numbers between -1 until 4 like 0, 1, 2, 3. No need that. Okay, so at -1 we have close bracket, meaning we should draw a black circle, and 4 as well. Connect it up. Done. Okay, as easy as that. And then why does the interval looks like this? This is what we call interval form, and this kind of interval is set form. Okay, this is T. Okay, so we're going to learn about this form later, but the question wants x greater than 2 but less than 5. So how we draw that? X, the number is just 2 and 5. Okay, so at 2, is it black circle or white circle? Yes, it's white circle because it has no equal sign here. Same goes to 5. White circle as well. Connect the dot and it's done. Okay, so question C, we want 2 until positive infinity, meaning from 2, black circle, are we going to the right or to the left? So this is positive infinity, and positive infinity is on the right, so the direction is to the right. Done. Alright, question D. Okay, set form, we want x is less than 0, x subset of real number. So R here means real number. Real number means all number from -infinity to infinity. Okay, so we want 0, and x is less than 0 because it has no equal sign, so it's white circle, and we are going to the left. Okay, done. Alright, so we move to example 2. Example 2 asking us to fill in the blank, either it is in set form or the interval form or the number line. Okay, so as I gave you advice before this, and if you forget, this is my advice to you, it should be no problem if you know how to draw the number line first. Okay, so look at the first question. The number line is from 3 until 6. So we draw the number line. We have number 3 and number 6. Close bracket for number 3 means black circle. Close bracket for number 6 means black circle. Connect the dot. And how we're going to write the set form? Okay, set form must have a bracket like this. And always have x like that. Okay, so how we going to write x going to be bigger than 3 and less than 6? Okay, so let's say if we write x here, x is greater than 3, less than 6. Since this is a close bracket and a black circle, it should has a equal sign. Okay, so put it in the set form. There you go. Okay, so let's try for the second question. Okay, let me change the color first. I like red. Okay, so we have x from -1 until 5, but this time it has no equal sign, meaning at the number line, we have -1 and 5 with white circle for both -1 and 5, and connect the dot. And at the interval form, we have -1 and 5, and, open bracket for them. Alright, so next question, we have a number line from -4 until 3. Okay, let's say if I write my x here, my set gonna look like this, right? My set form. Okay, but since I have black circle in -4, I should write an equal sign there. Okay, so my set form gonna look like this. X greater equal -4 less 3. Sorry guys. Okay, and my interval should be looking like this. So do you understand now why -4 here is close bracket? Because it has black circle. Okay, so what about -2 until 6? As usual, number line from negative 2 until 6, negative 2, open bracket, so it's white circle, 6, close bracket, so it is black circle, connect the dot, and if I write x here, the direction is always left, and who should get the equal sign? 6, because it is black circle and close bracket at 6. Okay, so bracket x greater negative 2 less equal 6, close the bracket. Okay, right? So now we move to example 3. So example 3, the question is x is greater equal 4. So always draw the number line first. We only have 4. Okay, so because it has equal sign, it is back circle and going to the right. Why going to the right? Because x is greater than 4. The direction here is to the right, so the direction on number line is also to the right. Okay, so 4 is going to, we don't know where. Okay, but it is surely goes to a big positive number, which is a positive infinity. Okay, so here the interval form, because it is equal sign here and black circle on the number line, so we have a close bracket on 4, and for infinity always open. So next question, x is from 5 and to the number that we don't know on the negative side, so it goes to negative infinity. So how do we write this in interval form? So we have negative 5 and it goes to negative infinity. Infinity always open, but at negative 5, because it's black circle, so it is closed interval. And how do we write this in set form? So as usual, like this, and because x is less than negative 5, because it's towards the left direction, so we should write like this: x less equal negative 5. X is subset to R. Okay, just like that. So nobody write like this, so this is so wrong at many levels. Okay, so don't write like that. So next question, x from negative 1 until infinity, but it is open bracket at negative 1, meaning it is white circle at negative 1. Negative 1 goes to positive infinity, so the direction must be to the right. Okay, so how to write this? X is greater than negative 1. Bracket x greater than negative 1. X subset R. Sorry guys, my handwriting is so bad. I hope you understand that. Okay, so last question, x is less than 9. So number line first, as always. 9, white circle, because there is no equal sign at the set form. Okay, so less, meaning it goes to the left. So in interval form, we have 9, and that's correct, negative infinity. Okay, so 9 open bracket and infinity always open bracket. So if you notice, the location of infinity and the number, like the first question, 4 infinity, and at number line 4 infinity, okay, is the same position. Okay, look at the second question, negative infinity, negative 5, negative infinity, negative 5. Okay, and here negative 1 infinity, negative 1, it goes to positive infinity here, and then negative infinity 9, negative infinity 9. Okay, as you can see, the position is the same. So this is another tips. Okay.